Hey guys, welcome back to HIJKL Crew. Today, me and my mom are only on a trip with us, and as you can see, it's Thomas the Train. And we were going to get lunch, and I don't know what this goes to, but I think it goes to a bell.
Oh, you got it!
And there's other trains that we can go to. That's the front. There's all of these other trains too.
They're currently under renovations.
Look at that giant spider web.
Oh, wow. Can you peek through the windows at all? No, I guess not.
But this is awesome.
Should we go see if we can eat some lunch inside the train car over there?
That?
Over in here. At the oh, that's, I guess that's not, this is just the depot. Oh, look at this.
What?
It's mini golf. What a strange little roadside attraction we have here. Oh, there's more trains back here.
Oh my god!
Wait, come here.
No, come over here. Look at this.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at all these train cars and dinosaurs. Oh my goodness.
All aboard. Choo choo.
Choo choo on the train, not on the dinosaur. Can you go inside of that? Peek through the window first. This window. Oh, interesting.
This is so cool.
This one over here says, "Watch your step." From the last circus train. The ringmaster's car.
Wonder what this is.
Lights are on. Hello, is anybody home? Nope, they look locked.
I think these are kind of like apartments.
That would be kind of cool if this was like a B&B,
What do you mean, B&B?
bed and breakfast, where you could like sleep in the train cars.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder, like that one has a steering wheel on it.
Yeah, so does the other one.
Yeah.
All of them do.
Oh, they're cabooses, that's why. They kind of look like they are B&Bs. I'm afraid to look in it now. I think they kind of are B&Bs. Because they've got like plants inside and curtains on the windows. Interesting. Super cute. We are in Dubois,
The boys. It's the boys.
Pennsylvania, at Doolittle's train depot.
We'll see you guys in a little bit after when we get lunch. Peace. Okay, guys, we are getting lunch, and we are in this old-fashioned train. There's people back there. And it's an old-fashioned train that we are eating lunch on.
Do you want to show them the bridal car?
And So we were wondering what this other train was, and it's like if someone is having a wedding here. So this is where the bride would get changed. There's stuff there. All of this. That is where the bride will get changed. And then this is where the bride probably gets all of her clothes, probably where she gets all her clothes and stuff. And then here is where the bride gets drinks or hair, makeup. And this is where there's this couch that people can wait on. We just were wondering what's in here. We checked it out. It is so cute. If you guys like this, please like and subscribe. And we're going to get back to eating. So, peace, and hopefully you guys like this video.